Oh, I need a freaking band. What am I doing?
Oh, you're okay.
I don't have a band either. It's all good.
So, what are your guys' opinion on this side, on how many people we should put over there?
If you lose that side, you're gonna lose.
Yeah.
Because
you have to have strong people over there.
Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. There was only one person defending.
So that's touchscreen, Dave.
So they took him out. I came back around and took the rest of the team out and pinned him.
I think that was Monday.
Oh.
That happened to us a couple times.
Oh, but you can still click someone else? That's good.
Because it was only Sam.
Let's just reload.
Oh, they're counting down. They're counting down.
Like no one we can go.
Yes, you got it. Oh!
Is there someone around there, Dave?
There was. I don't know if there was. Oh, no, he's gone.
Pick up somebody.
Yeah, Rick's saying that too. Oh my God.
Woo! Woo!
Get through there.
Oh, Rick! Dang it!
Watch out. Gun straight. Hey, this side, watch out.
Woo! That was really close. I heard it go by my ear.
Gotcha.
Hey, should Kyle's door be open?
Nope.
I'm not going to count that because I was...
All right, all right, all right. Well, let me go back to where I was. Oh, you got me in the ear that time. Let me
Did I not hit you, Nick? Gotcha, guys.
Let me out.
And Rick on the right.
There's someone on the left.
Josh is on the right.
Oh, holy cow! I didn't even know you were there.
Watch your back. Watch your back.
Watch out, Nick.
Okay. Ah, terrible shot.
You got me.
Oh. Who was that, Josh?
So what's over there?
Let me. Let me through. Whew.
Hey, watch your backs over here.
Hey, Trevor, that ricochet.
What?
Mine ricochet.
Oh, okay.
And that one ricochet.
Hey, Tony ran around the corner.
Hey, watch your back, Trevor. Mace almost got you.
I know, I know.
Jordan, is there anybody in that room right there?
Yeah, we don't need to.
Thomas is now too.
Nick, I got you already. Yeah.
Push that, push that.
I heard him. Look out, look out.
Tony's coming that side.
Did I get you, Tony?
Yeah.
You got me, you got me.
We have the corner. What happened? You guys didn't help me. Lost the corner.
Let me out.
Josh is right there.
Oh, he's right.
We gotta move, we gotta move, move.
Did that ricochet?
Yeah, it did. I didn't get you to fire.
Oh, who was that?
I got shot 3 times.
Hey, watch that Tony right there. Hey, Josh is coming too.
Got straight.
Oh, shoot.
Pin.
That's a pin.
We got pinned?
Yeah.
Out of ammo.
You do.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, that got my hair. Time up!
Is there only one pin?
Yeah.
I died a lot.
Okay, is it a logging system though? Fantastic.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Green team won.
I think we need to
Green team won.
Yeah.
remove the
What were the
provision for
kills
throwing.
totals?
What?
It's
30, 36, 38.
Oh,
For you guys.
Yeah, or when they're thrown.
We need a what?
We need to remove the provision for throwing.
That's the only way to get over barriers, though.
You don't know if it's a ricochet or if you don't know if somebody hit you. It's
Yeah, you
That's
don't know
why they
if
call
it hit
shots.
the top to the box first or not, or hit the roof.
And the person who threw it has no idea.
Oh,
How
yeah.
could you possibly know?
The person who got hit has no idea.
Okay. You
Right.
can't throw. Oh, I don't know.
throw darts.
Because, like, in person, if I throw it and see it hit you, right, that's the thing. Is
Almost.
Only if it's 100% you know it hit you without hitting you
Yeah,
first,
but
you
I'm
count.
pretty sure our 100% rule has been pretty shaky up until now anyways.
Yeah.
I think adding throwing along with that is just going to cause more problems. Because not everybody follows the 100% rule right now anyways. It's going to be really easy to throw around a quarter and say gotcha.
What if